So you've paired your Bluetooth device, it says connected, but silence. No music, no calls, no nothing. It's like your phone and your speaker are in a relationship but just not speaking to each other. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So grab your device, stay tuned, and let's turn that awkward Bluetooth silence into music once again. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first option is to make sure your sound is on. To check this, swipe down from the top of your iPhone to access the control center and make sure the sound is pulled up to a volume that is loud enough for you to hear. Then try to play a song to see if any sound is detected. Next, you can check if your iPhone has been switched to silent mode. To check this, tilt to the side of your iPhone and make sure the silent mode is not on. If you see a red stripe at the switch, it means your phone is in silent mode. Flip the switch and you can see an indicator on your phone saying ringer is on. Then try to play a song to see if any sound is detected. Next, you can try to reset your Bluetooth device pairing connection. To do this, tap on Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Here you can see I have my little Bluetooth speaker, the OnZ Angle Solo, connected to my iPhone. Tap on the information icon, then tap on Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. Then try pairing this device again. Scroll all the way down and you can see the OnZ Angle Solo available for pairing. Tap on it. You should hear a beep or notification sound from your Bluetooth device to let you know that pairing was successful. Or if there's no sound, scroll up and check if the device is reconnected to your iPhone. Then play a song again to test for sound. If this still doesn't work, we can simply do a hard restart of your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and hold on to the power button where the screen will go black and the Apple icon will turn on. Then try connecting to the Bluetooth device again and play a song to see if there's any sound. The last method would be to reset your iPhone's network settings. The reason to do so is because maybe the problem is not with your Bluetooth device, but your iPhone has a stuck Bluetooth connection somewhere to another Bluetooth device in the house or office, and you will want to reset that. To do this, tap on Settings, General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.